So in my last video I promised that if I got 35 likes, then I would make a tutorial. And this is the tutorial that I promised. Click overlay and add this. Then click on this. And chroma key. Choose the green color and set intensity up to A100. Then export. Then go to the same edit and delete the second clip. Make the first clip longer. Add the exported video as an overlay, but you only need the end of it. Then click on the overlay and go to chroma key again, but this time pick the blue color. I set the intensity to 6 and the shadow to 50. And that's it. Tyson for watching. I hope it helped.